At the back of a suburban coffee shop in Montreal, you'll find 4 young computer scientists and their new startup called Lyrebird. These guys are doing something amazing and frightening. They're using AI to clone your voice. They're featured on many websites like The Verge, TechCrunch and Bloomberg. They have got their own API which can be used to integrate in your application for more user experience. Lyrebird, a startup that is using AI to clone human voices with frightening precision. The AI will require you to record your voice and it will generate the clone. Hey guys, welcome back to Tech in Motion, and today we're going to look on how to clone your voice with the help of AI. So to use the feature of Lyrebird, you need to search on Google Lyrebird. So the first result will be the website that redirects you to Lyrebird, the ultra-realistic voice cloning and text-to-speech. When you open the website, you can see all the features or all the products that they have using AI. You will have to create an account to use the feature of the AI to clone your voice. So when you sign up, a verification email will be sent to the email address that you provided when you signed up, and you need to verify your account through the link that will be provided. So now we'll log into the website. It will redirect to our home page with a welcome message with your email address, and now we'll create the digital voice. A pop-out will be shown. In that, we know that it's a beta version, so it requires less than 1 minute of data to capture, and we'll have to read about 30 sentences. And the number of recordings is limited to 300 right now because of the beta version. And we'll be able to delete our data at any time. So let's start. So this is the first sentence that I'm gonna start recording. So let's do the recording. I decided it was better to just get the code out there and improve it later. After the recording is done, we need to click the stop recording button, and we need to validate. If you want to listen, you can listen or record it again, but it's necessary to validate the sentence or the recording that you recorded, and the system will process it, and it will use the AI to process your voice and to clone it. Now we need to record about some 30 sentences, so I'm gonna speed up the clip. As you can see, I'm recording all the sentences. Now all the recordings have been done. You have recorded yourself for about a minute, and now we can create the digital voice through the help of all these recordings. The AI has created or manipulated your voice, and now we can create the digital voice. I'll create my own digital voice, so it will take some time. It took me about some 2-3 minutes, so I just speed up the clip here. So after the digital voice is being created, you'll get a text box where you can type any text that you want the AI or the machine to generate. So here I'll type any random text that I want the machine to generate. Then I'll listen to what the machine says. It will usually take less than 5 seconds to generate, and it's kind of similar to the voice because it's in beta version. So let's wait for the stable version, and here it is.
Hi, how are you doing, my friend?
If you like the AI that clones your voices, then you can subscribe to our channel and like this video for more tech content. So see you in the next one.